So to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account, first go to YouTube, and under YouTube go to the upper right corner and click on your profile, and after that you will have YouTube Studio option. Click on that, and on the left side you will have this settings option. Open up your settings, and under settings go to your permissions, and here it will give you the information of the owner. And if you want to transfer your YouTube channel to another Google account, so go to the invite on the upper right corner, and here enter the email of the person whom you want to transfer your account. And after entering the email address that you want to transfer, select what you want to access that person. Here you have options like manage or editor, limited, subtitle editor, viewer. Choose any one option that you would like. After that, hit the done button, and after that it has sent an invitation to this user, and it will be for 30 days. And under 30 days, if the user has not accepted the invitation, then it will be cancelled. And if you want to change this person as a owner, so you should wait for 7 days, and after 7 days, if this email still sits in your account, then after 7 days you can give the access to this person. So yeah guys, transferring your YouTube channel to another Google account was that easy. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below.